Tadati Srimad Gopishwaram Vande Shankaram Karunamayam Sarvakleshaharam Devam Brindaranya Ratipradam. I praise Srimad Gopishwar Shankar, the all-benign, all-wonderful and kind, compassionate Lord, who destroys all misery and increases the love of Vrindavan. I always worship this Gopishwar Sadashiva. By the grace of Sri Gopishwar, who fulfills all desires, I will also attain the perfection of service to the lotus feet of the divine couple of Radha Govinda Yugal. Of this there is no doubt. Braja Gopi Anurage Nandatmaja Bhuja Joge Alingana Divya Ratna Labhe Nitya Yamunara Tire Mahaprema Sahakare Bhakti Kori Puje Sarashive. The Braja Gopis passionately desired the jewel-like embrace of the arms of Nanda's son, Nandatmaja Bhuja Juge, Alingana Divya Ratna Lave. For this reason they always went to the bank of the Yamuna with great love to devotedly worship Lord Shiva. Mahaprema Sahakade Bhakti Kori Puje Sarashive Nitya Jumanara Tiare Jara Shubha Karonate Ishta Phala Achirate Labhya Hoy Se Gopishware Sarashiva Bhagavan Devushta Varadhan Bhaji Pade Pulakita Bare Bhaji Pade Pulakita Bare. By Gopishwar's auspicious grace, all desires are swiftly fulfilled. O Lord Sadashiv, grant me my desired boon. I worship you with goosebumps on my skin.